Namaskaram. Today I am gonna tell you a story of Nageshwar Jyotirlingam. So, Daruka, she devil, lived with her husband Daruk in the forest. Daruka received a boon from Mata Parvati. The boon was she could fly away with the forest anywhere. Once she and her husband decided to destroy the whole forest and they started hurting people and destroying forest and burning the forest. So people of the jungle went to Rishi Orv for help. There, Maharshi Orv decided to punish the demon by cursing them. So he said, if these devils fight on earth or destroy anyone penance, they will get destroyed. So when God heard about this, they decided to attack these demons. The demon knew if they fought on earth, that would be the end of them, and if they didn't fight, the god will defeat them. So Daruka took the forest and fled the forest in the middle of the sea. The demons now lived in an island and they started living in island. Once that island was visited by few men on boat. So all these men were captured by demons and one of them was Lord Shiva devotee Supriya. He started his penance inside the jail and asked others to join him, and every day they kept praying Lord Shiva. When Daruk was informed about it, he threatened Supriya and others and wanted to kill him, and he ran to kill him. Then Supriya prayed Shiva and he appeared in front of him. Lord Shiva destroyed all demons out Daruk. So Daruk got very scared and he escaped from there and returned to his wife Aids. And Lord Shiva told the men that they can pray and offer penance to all god in the forest. Demons have no place in this forest. And Daruka was scared after hearing this. So she recalled Mata Parvati and asked Mata Parvati to protect her newborn. Then Mata Parvati spoke to Lord Shiva and requested him to let their offspring to live in this island. And Lord Shiva agreed and blessed them to be at that forest. But he said, from now, to take care of my followers, I shall remain here in the form of Linga. That's how Nageshwar Shivlingam formed. But the story of Nageshwar Shivling is complicated and disputed, and its location is as well as disputed. According to Shiv Puran and Dwadash Jyotirling Strotam, it is in Darukavanam, which is situated in Gujarat. But it is said that there are three Nageshwar Jyotirlingam. One is in Daruka Forest, Gujarat, second in Almora in Uttarakhand, and third Hingoli in Maharashtra. So its place is disputed, but the story is real. Har Har Mahadev.